Well, here we are. We're at Grand Lake Nordic Skiing. This is our first time doing Nordic skiing, also known as
cross-country
skiing. We're just gonna come out here and we don't know what we're doing. We watched a video this morning that was 10 minutes long and taught us all of the expert tips on how to cross-country ski. So
we're experts.
We're experts now. We're gonna learn how to do it. But I will say this: I absolutely love these shoes compared to the regular downhill skiing shoes. I know we got them on way too tight last time. That's why our feet were hurting. But I like these a lot better.
So, fun facts. So this area is literally right outside the boundary of Rocky Mountain National Park, which is definite on our bucket list for this year. So we are just surrounded by mountain ranges and blue skies, and the sad thing is that a big fire swept through here a couple years ago, so you'll probably see a lot of like burned trees and things like that. But the trails are already packed out here, ready to go, and yeah, we'll see how many times I fall today.
Wow, that is insane. Got it?
Got it.
All right.
I feel like I feel like a little pee, but learning a lot.
Whoa!
Yeah.
All right. Whew. Shut-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta.
What?
Wow, this is a workout.
I know.
And there she goes. Wish she wasn't the first one. Good job, baby. I couldn't do that. What do you think so far?
It's fine, but like I just want to get in a good groove, you know?
Yeah, I think I figured it out. You gotta keep your weight forward. I'm trying to focus on using my poles and my legs.
So pretty much all the things.
Move.
My poles, like
What?
the coordination of the poles.
Yeah.
It was hard.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
No.
Yeah, like knowing like do it like instinctually.
Ooh. Yeah, look. Whenever I'm coming and I can't stop, you have to move.
Yeah.
Hey, I still got both water bottles. I'll check. Never mind. Yeah, I've still got both water bottles. Hey, you did it. Can you go down first? Yeah. Go in. Good job, baby.
A new glide. Look at that.
Look at what?
Behind you. It's amazing.
You having fun?
Uh-huh.
Are you scared this time?
No. Well, I'm not going like high velocity.
You're doing great, baby.
Never really took myself to be so uncoordinated.
Don't use those too much. There you go. Okay, Dad. Goes ahead of me, takes a break, waits on me to catch up. As soon as you get there, you take off again.
Babe, are you okay? What happened?
I fell and you left.
I thought you were right behind me.
I face planted, face first, right there. And was like in the snow. Like, no joke, I was in the snow. And I'm yelling, going, Allie! Because I couldn't get up. And you're gone.
I thought you were hiding from me.
I figured you thought that. Look at this.
You might as well dive.
And I did dive. I dived deep. I have so much snow. It's like a full body workout, except your abs. Oh, taking a knee.
You can do it. You gotta go more wide. Woo! That's one way to do it. So workout, babe? You did great. Okay, so I really like eating my fruit. Well, cold. I really like this spot because it's like super quiet and it doesn't feel like super duper touristy, you know? I think this would be like a great, like a family outing for sure. Like I saw some people, they're about to do cross country with like a one of those like adventure strollers. I thought that was so cute.
Yeah, I saw that. I thought that was pretty cool. I was like, we could put June in that.
We could.
That would be so embarrassing. Have a 60-pound dog behind you while you're just.
Sun is so pretty.
We're actually probably not too terribly far away from Clark.
We're in the opposite direction.
Kremling, Steamboat, Clark, Granby, Grimley.
Oh, that makes a circle.
No, I don't know.
Okay, I gotcha. I'm
I was really
tracking.
on a mountain. So I took that dive. I don't know if I got any of that, but here I am. Allie's gone. Oh, there she is. No, I don't know if I captured that, but I fell. I made a big indentation. I'm trying to get the strength to get back up. I plowed face first into the snow. It was not fun. I'm having a moment. You left me.
I thought you were right behind me.
I was yelling, "Back!" because I needed help getting up. Kept on going. I literally face planted right over there.
What is that? Oh, that's my drink.
That's your drink.
That's my drink. Baby, take your feet
I
off.
can't get them off.
Tell me about that. What was going through your head?
Snow. I think they groomed the two paths really close to the edge. My right foot went out of the groove and went down, and then I went and literally went head first, dove into the snow.
I was like chucking, like I was in a good groove. Like,
Oh no! I was trying to get up. I was literally buried. My head was like a foot in. I'm not kidding. I wasn't on top of the snow.
That's so bad.
I was in the snow, and
I stopped and I was like, oh, he's right behind me. He's about to come around the hill. And I waited. And then I'm like, come on. I knew you were just like up there, just like trying to scare me. And then I was like, babe. And then I was like, oh no, like what if he saw like a moose and he's hiding or something? And then I saw you in that big pile of snow. I thought you were injured.
it was too deep. I couldn't get out.
So think back to the first day we landed in Colorado, where we live. What you were feeling, what you were thinking. Yeah, like we drove into our hometown, walked into our house. Thinking about like who you were, what you were thinking, what you were feeling.
I think it was just different. I've had so many different God encounters, and we've done this stuff so much where we've moved, we've left jobs, we've left family, we've left, I mean, a lot of comfort. You know, we've both done that together and separately, and chased after the Lord for a little over 10 years. And I think I knew what I was getting into.
Did you?
And I thought I was like, okay, like, you know.
You thought you knew?
I thought I knew. I didn't at all. Because, you know, it's like, all right, God's going to come, he's going to show up, and this is going to happen. And, you know, it's just, not that all these big things are going to happen, but I knew a way. And that way has not been this case at all. This has been, like before, there was a lot of highs, a lot of lows. Now it's all, I don't want to say numb, it's just life.
No, steady, not numb.
Yeah, maybe steady's a better word. I think that the community, I mean, that first night we moved in, like, we had everybody from the church literally was there for the leadership gathering or whatever, and they all moved us in like 20 minutes.
Yep, it's crazy.
Like, that was just insane.
Such an expression of love.
Well, I think too, like before I was always like, you know, showing up to church functions and showing up to all these places and just always ready to pour out, to give, to almost have, not that I tried to put on a persona, but having a persona. And here it's just been ease. You do it.
Ew, no.
It's fruit juice.
Yeah, exactly.
Then you do it.
So, okay, so that's how you were. And then like, in comparison, like, who do you think you are now? Like, what's changed?
I'm a lot more at ease, a lot more laid back. I think I see people differently. I think I really, I try to focus more on being vulnerable in a moment and recognize whenever I'm not. I think I just love better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think, like, helped you get there?
I think having this community around us of just people who I just genuinely love, I think that definitely boosted it. But I also think that it was really just starting watching the sunrises.
Yeah, but like, what about the sunrises? Because it's not the sunrise.
It was about stopping and being intentional every single day to go after the Father's heart, because it wasn't just that I was just filming it. It was in trying to capture a moment. I was trying to be in that moment to give back, and just to be in the moment. And I think it just taught me to rest and to be still.
Good job.